Hello. Do you love the outdoors? Is biking or hiking a trail in the mountains or wandering along a lakeshore one of your favorite things to do? Or maybe you love navigating a new city, exploring its streets and parks. Do you care about people and the quality of their lives? If so, shaping the world as a landscape architect might be the perfect profession for you. My name is Stephanie Raleigh. I'm the department head in landscape architecture and regional and community planning at Kansas State University. I'm glad to have the opportunity to tell you a little bit about landscape architecture. Landscape architects plan, design, manage, and steward the natural environment. We create and protect the outdoor places that shape people's lives. We address ecological and social needs, and we plan for inclusive and equitable communities. We design landscape. Graduates of the landscape architecture program at Kansas State are responsible for the design and construction of places like the Meadow, which is located on the grounds of the Beach Museum of Art on our campus. Natural environments like this support pollinators and collect stormwater runoff while improving the well-being of people. Urban parks and public spaces are essential to the health of our cities. This is Little Island, a new park in the Hudson River in New York City. One of our alums is responsible for managing the design and construction of this forward-thinking park that is being constructed right now. Landscape architects also design neighborhoods and communities. This is an innovative community in Iowa that incorporates open space and a working farm designed by one of our alums. Landscape architects work back and forth between scales, designing the big picture, like the community I just showed you, while also thinking through the details, such as how roadways will incorporate space for people, bicycles, and cars, while also carrying stormwater. To prepare for professional projects like these, students in our program take classes that are organized around 4 primary activities: design, make, travel, and research. This is the Wichita Pop-Up Park that was designed by our students in collaboration with downtown Wichita. Students in their very first year of our program designed the park as well as the furniture and then fabricated the furniture. Travel is integrated into our curriculum. Students travel regionally, nationally, and internationally to visit sites they are designing, talk with professionals, and experience examples of great landscape architecture. They learn about the natural systems of an area, as well as urban environments. Our alumni have provided generous support, allowing us to make sure that travel is accessible to all students. Research takes many different forms in landscape architecture. Students look at historic precedents, they conduct surveys and interviews, and they collect data on the performance of landscapes. This is the green roof on Seton Hall, where a faculty member and students are conducting the very first studies of how native plant materials perform on green roofs in our region. Our students and faculty are passionate about what they do. That has led to us being one of only 2 universities ranked in the top 5 of all 12 areas in landscape architecture studies. People are sometimes surprised to find a program of such distinction in the Flint Hills of Kansas. But employers know where to find their best landscape architects. We're very pleased that we're first in employment in the country. Landscape architecture is much more than a profession. It is a way about thinking about the world that prepares you to apply socio-ecological knowledge and the design process to shape the world. Our graduates practice in landscape architecture firms, as well as in a broad range of multidisciplinary offices. They lead projects involving architects, engineers, ecologists, and many other disciplines. Some apply their education to work in other creative fields, business, or other positions that contribute to making the world more just and resilient. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. The landscape architecture faculty and I are really looking forward to meeting you.